What's up, besties? What's up, SBM gang? I'm back with another tutorial, and it's no shade. Shout out to Asteria Hair. I'm gonna show you how we got that bust down curly look. First of all, this wig from Asteria Hair was so full, so soft. This was the softest curly wig I've ever installed. So when I tell y'all need to go in that description box and get all that hair info that I leave, because this wig was everything. I can't make it up. And the lace was HD, so you know that's always an extra 10 points. Fresh out the gate, this wig was giving scalp. I didn't even put it on yet, and it was already just, look how big. And I wish y'all could feel how soft this hair was. I cannot make this up. This hair didn't tangle. It wasn't like a deep wave. I think it was a pineapple wave. I'm not sure. I'll put all the details in the description box. But I'm going in with my skin protectant. And I have to protect that skin before I apply those layers. And I also did lace tape as well. Bold Hold Lemon Burst is my current favorite adhesive right now. I used all of the adhesive. I used the Max, I used the Active, I used the Lemon Burst. But Lemon Burst just smells good. It's fun to work with because I like the whiffs of the lemon that go to my nose. It's no shade. And also, the girls just be making the wigs last with this lemon adhesive, so that's my go-to one. But I do love the Active as well. If I feel like you're a sweaty person, like you sweat a lot, then I'm using the Active on you. Once those layers are dry and clear, I proceed to lay this lace down. You want to put it right on the glue, not too far up, not too far back. You want to place it right on top of that glue, blow dry before you tie it down and melt it, and give what needs to be given, period. Hot comb, hot comb, hot comb. This is my favorite part. This is also one of the most important parts. This tells me if your install is going to be laid or played. If you got a bumpy frontal, just get the hot comb. Turn it up a little bit hotter. Maybe it's not hot enough. For years, I put my flat iron, my hot comb on like, what, 275, 300, thinking I was going to burn the hair off. Girl, put that thing on 400 and get the wig flat. It's no shade. You guys, this isn't a long tutorial because everybody knows curly hair takes 2 minutes to install. This video is real short. Styling was so easy. All I had to do was wet the hair, brush it. Look how easy I'm brushing through the hair. It was not a fight. I added some mousse just so she can have some longevity with that wet look without it actually being wet. And now I'm about to just bust these baby hairs down, and it's no shade. Can we just take a second and talk about how much better Kelly is getting at her makeup? Like, let's get into the mug. Stop playing with Kelly Hicks. She really don't know shit about makeup, and she just be winging it, and she's been getting better. Because I be on her, I be telling her, that's not cute, this cute, stop doing that, do this. And she listens, and I think she's really making a lot of progress with just her journey on, you know, learning her face and her colors and what's what. I did mousse baby hairs because I wanted a soft look. I didn't want to go for the hairspray hard look. I really only do hairspray baby edges for like colored hair, but this I really wanted to keep it soft and natural. Shout out to Asteria Hair for coming through with this bust down bomb HD curly wig. I love this wig. Kelly loves this wig. It's probably one of her favorite wigs. And I will have all the information for this wig in the description box. Shout out to the SBM gang. Keep liking, sharing, commenting, subscribing, sending it to your friends, your homegirls. If your homegirl Lace Be Crusty, send her my YouTube channel. And it's no shade. Bye, y'all.